eating her pretzels.
I'm starving.
Hey guys, are you ready for another great video? Because I have one for you. My client Lindsay has decided to go a little darker for the winter and give the lightener a break. So today I'm doing a full low light around the entire head, but when I get to the top 6 to 10 foils of each section, I will alternate low light, highlight, low light, highlight. I will just be touching her regrowth only since she's already blonde enough, there is no reason to overlap. By alternating lowlights and highlights at the top of each section, it will touch up her regrowth and allow us to have a little bit more lightness up at the top with more dimension underneath. We literally decided to do a video and forgot to record, but we have enough footage for a video, so it all worked out in the end. Lindsay's low light formula is Shades EQ, 5N, 5G, and a splash of 5C. We're going a lot darker, but using all Shades EQ, which is demi-permanent, because whenever she wants to go back to blonde, again, and trust me, she will be easier to achieve and less damaging than if we were to use permanent color.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth.
So when doing a foil conversion like I am today, I always like going in between each foil doing a paint between. I love doing this especially when I'm going to root tone her using a heavy root. It helps the root toner cover better and gives a lot of depth. This is a good thing to do even for blondes when they want to stay light and bright but add some depth into their root area. For her today I'm using Shades EQ again and my formula is 4N, 4NB. That NB will be the filler for my blonde and stop it from going green or muddy. And the N, a splash of that, will stop it from being overly warm.
Tell me, don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on your making the waves. You and I will never be saved. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on your making the waves. You and I will never be saved. Be saved. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground?
Alright guys, after all that foiling, paint between, low light, a little bit of highlights. I alternate it highlight, low light at the top of every section for like 5 or 10 foils, just so that we can touch up the root and I have control over where the root starts when I go in and smudge. So, stay tuned. This is a crazy video. We didn't plan on doing one. We did, and then we kind of forgot about it because it was a long day. And now we're trying to do the best we can to bring you guys a video. So stay tuned and keep watching. So when I finished foiling and doing all the paint between, I let her process for about 30 minutes and she was ready to rinse. I used my Olaplex No. 4 shampoo and made sure to give her a really good shampooing, and then I towel dried her and applied my Olaplex No. 2 all over her mids and ends. For her heavy root, I used Joico Lumishine Demi Liquids. If you've been following me for quite some time, then you know I love this line for root toning, low lighting, and even all over colors. And for root toning, it covers very well. For her heavy root smudge, whatever you want to refer to it as, I wanted to match the paint between level, which was a level 4. Lumishine Demi Liquids do not have a level 4N or 4NA, so I used 3N, 5N, and a splash of 5NA. For her all-over toner, I mixed up a special concoction. I wanted a lot of warmth, a little bit of neutral, and a little dab of ash, so I did 6GG, 7N, 7NW, 7P, and 8GI. You can already see how much darker we have darkened her up before even root toning and before we even toned her. This is Olaplex No. 2 on the ends. I'm splitting down the middle from where her part is, and I'm going to do my heavy root, my 3N, 5N, 5NA formula. After that, I'll let her process for about 10-15 minutes. Wash off the Olaplex No. 2. I left her root toner on. I like to do that when I'm doing a root smudge or a heavy root, whatever you want to call it. And then I mushed them in together with the root toner and the end toner, and it came out beautiful. You guys don't want to miss it.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life, save my life. Keep on your making the waves. You and I will never be saved. Be saved. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save?
Just by looking at that tone and that bowl, you can tell this is going to be gorgeous. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give me a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family, and subscribe because it's free to support. Happy holidays from my family and I to you and yours. Until next Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, so long for now.
You burn me down.
Stop. Oh my god. My mouth hurts so bad. This looks so good. So good. Oh my god, though. You have that shadow smudge, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, you can see it when you look down. Really good. Bronze at its finest. And another thing is, we can always go darker too.
Darker, lighter, whatever.
Like we could just throw a color on. And no, listen. Throw a color on.